Eric Hunter here. And I got a question, and I get this question a lot. Do I need to clear my pendulum before I use it? So when I get a new pendulum, do I need to clear it? So let me show you this pendulum. This is the Purple Goddess pendulum. It's a really high vibration pendulum. It's made of really nice materials. It has a nice sacred geometry shape, really good energy. It makes like a torus ring around it. It's great for doing pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing work. All right, so you get a pendulum like this, one of these really nice ones made of metal, and it's got a string on it. Could be a nice wooden one too, or a clay one, just not a crystal pendulum. But anyway, so you've got this pendulum and it's got a string, so you're not worried about conductivity of energy going up a chain. And you just get it in the mail or you buy it at the store and you're like, hey, all right, so I want to use it. Do I need to clear it? And the answer is you do not need to clear it at all. So why is that? Well, these things are self-clearing. They're designed so that energy doesn't stay on them. And they interact with energy in the environment like light. So, light hits it and it bounces off energy. So their shape creates sort of like a force field around it. And that's not explainable scientifically, but if you're clairvoyant or clairsentient, you can feel these things and you can sense they have energy. And when you put them in a human biofield, like, you hold it over a person or you hold it over an injured part of the body, start spinning around, the person will often feel relief. It can stimulate a healing response in the body. So there's absolutely no need to clear these things when you get them. Once you have them, if it's a good healing pendulum, good high vibration pendulum, there's no reason to clear them. You can, however, set an intention when you first get it. Intentions are important. So you could just say something like, this pendulum will always work for my highest good and the highest good of everybody I use it for. And just let it spin around. And now your intention is set. Or you could just say something like this pendulum will make my life and the lives of those I love better. So you just set a nice intention when you first start off with your pendulum, the very first time you get it. That's valuable. You can do that. But other than that, you don't need to do any kind of clearing on it or anything like that. So I hope this video is useful and you learned something here. And yeah, check out my website below, pendulumalchemy.com. The link is right there. If you want to take some of my free courses, learn about pendulum alchemy, how to use your pendulum as a tool to magically influence reality for ways that are in the highest good of all concerned. Check it out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.